transmission shift cable adjustment in the all-new Thar. Purpose. The basic purpose of the shift cable adjustment is to make proper alignment between gear shift lever and the transmission for smooth gear shifting. Requirement. When is shift cable adjustment required? When the shift cable is removed or replaced. When transmission is removed and refitted. When repair work is carried on transmission. When the shift tower is removed and refitted. When gear shifting is hard. Components. These are the basic components. This is a shifter lever on transmission assembly. This is a shifter cable. This is a selector cable. This is a M6 bolt approximately 60 mm long. This is a shifter housing and this is a shifter lever. Procedure. Now the shift cable adjustment procedure. Kindly note, selector cable and shifter cable abutments to be fitted properly on transmission cable brackets. First, check that the shifter lever should be in neutral position on transmission. Take shifter cable and selector cable, press fit the shifter cable end and press fit the selector cable end on transmission shifter mechanism. Ensure that both the cable ends are fitted properly. Kindly note, selector cable and shifter cable abutments to be fitted properly on shifter housing. Take M6 bolt of approximately 60 mm length to match the holes on shifter housing and selector arm on shift lever and lock them together to ensure that the selector arm is in neutral position. Take another end of selector cable and position it on shifter housing. After positioning, move the selector cable quick adjuster outer cover in forward direction and unlock the QA clip. Adjust the selector cable length to fix the cable on selector ball pin. After adjusting the length, position the quick adjuster body on selector ball pin. Once quick adjuster body snap on ball pin, brace the QA clip towards arrow mark shown to lock it fully and release the selector cable quick adjuster outer cover. Kindly note, ensure the proper locking by confirming or hearing the click noise while installing. Take another end of shifter cable and press fit it on shifter lever. We must remember two things. 1. At the time of shift cable adjustment, shifter lever should be in neutral position on transmission. 2. Always match the holes on shifter housing and selector arm on shift lever to ensure that selector arm is in neutral position.